Do not try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Hey guys, Buddy Valastro here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a spin art cake, Hoboken style, baby. I mean, you guys know spin art, and you've seen it 100 different ways, but you've never seen it kind of done by like a cake ninja like me over here. All right, this is kind of like Cake Boss innovations here. In order to do a spin art cake properly, you got to be able to use the different food colorings to be your liquid paint, and you need something that's going to spin really, really fast. So I needed something with a motor. I screwed a drill down to a wooden box, shot it through the box, and I have a little piece of a turntable which I put inside the drill, and as you can tell, I have my little trigger here, and my cake, she spins. She goes fast or slow. This is either gonna go one or two ways. It's either gonna be really, really good, and I'm a genius, or it's gonna go really, really bad, and I'm gonna have food coloring all over me. It's time to put on my safety gear. So, let me get my doctor's coat on. Doctor. Next, doctor needs the gloves. This is gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you. Bada bing, bada boom. Last but not least, my safety goggles. Okay, here it goes, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there she goes. Next color. Next color. Next color. Looks like it's working. Next color. Okay, here it goes. I think we have too much black in there. I think we need some more white. Oh yeah. Okay. Oops. That's why you do not try this at home. So what do you guys think? Is this crazy? Did it turn out as good as I wanted it? I almost killed myself. I think I want a round 2 trial on this because I learned a little bit about what I did wrong the first time. We'll be right back. Reset, baby. All right, guys, I'm back for round 2. I learned a lot in round 1. I definitely put too much black on, so that was a big thing. And I'm gonna try to go a little bit lighter this time. So I'm gonna start with the yellow again, because I like the yellow. Take the blue, put some orange, and here it goes, guys. A little bit more juice. Oh, yeah! Ha 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 ha! How you like that? That's beautiful. I'm even gonna add a little bit more. I wanna push the boundaries of what I could do. Oh yeah, look at that. I just think it needs a little bit more in the middle here. Yeah, now it's done. That's how you do spin art, Hoboken style, baby. So the first one, I went a little too fast and I put a little too much black. And I had a little too much food coloring on it. Second one, I went a little slower, a little less food coloring, and boom, it's like a freaking Pollock. I just think that this looks so cool, so much fun. It's pretty amazing. This is edible art here, baby, edible spin art. I think this cake's gotta go to the MoMA. Who doesn't think that this cake belongs in a MoMA? If you think so, put it in the comments, tell me that you wanna see my spin art cake in the MoMA. I'm sure we can get it done. And remember, do not try this at home. I'm certified crazy. Like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. We'll see you next time.